Hey everybody, what's up? This is Jack. Apparently YouTube has made it where only people with 1,000 subscribers can stream live from their mobile device. Well, I've only got 5 subscribers, so I guess that rules me out. Anyway, if more of you subscribe, then we can do live. But today I'm here with something special. It is a mukbang video, another one, and I have Chick-fil-A. This is something I've never had from Chick-fil-A before. Well, I've had the chicken nuggets, but this is 30 chicken nuggets. So, 30 chicken nuggets. So, we're going to try to finish up this bad boy. I'm out at work right now. I'm on my lunch break. So, we'll see how this goes. I think I could probably finish the whole thing. I can probably finish the whole thing. I got a load of my favorite dipping sauce. I don't know if you can see that. It's ranch. If you can't see it, I got about 8 of these bad boys down there. So that's what I'll be dipping with. Ooh, let's see. So I don't know if you can see or not, but it is raining today. Yeah, it's been raining for a couple of days, really. And it's cold too today, so one more thing. It's Halloween. October 31st, so we're getting some of that fall weather. I hope everybody's doing something spooky tonight. Have fun, be safe. That's 2 down. This is delicious. I'm really excited about this. I have a feeling I'm going to eat all these. And then I'll be a personal record of mine. So if you watched my last mukbang video, I was eating a large pizza, stuffed crust, down in the conference room. I didn't bring my normal camera today, so I'm just using my phone. So we'll see how this goes. Like I said, I was going to go live, but I didn't realize YouTube doesn't allow live mobile streams. Did you guys know that? I didn't know that. You know, the way Chick-fil-A does this, you don't get a price break on nuggets. You would think the more nuggets you bought, the less you would pay, but it's basically the same price. I guess every nugget has a intrinsic value to it. You can break it down. It's the same with a 4-pack as it is with a 64-pack. It's about, whatever, 25 cents a nugget, I don't know. Also today, I have my vitamin water, as usual. Show you it's the orange kind. Good stuff. Yeah, it was tough driving on the interstate this morning because it was so so rainy and so wet, and the rain just kept blowing in, and it's been really dry. We've been basically drought conditions. So I think a little bit of that's broken up now by the change of the season and the change of the weather. Now, around here, I don't know what it's like where you live, but around here, Chick-fil-A is, sorry about that, Chick-fil-A is the place to be. It's where everybody goes, and it's very popular. It's usually packed whenever you go. Most places drive through. I don't know how that is for other places, but around here, people love some Chick-fil-A. I don't even know, I guess they're everywhere in the country, I would think. I know I wish we would get a In-N-Out burger here. I love their ranch, sorry. But yeah, I think In-N-Out, all their burgers are made fresh, and so they can't build them too far from the warehouse, or they have to freeze them, I guess. Right. Yeah, well, I'm just making my way through these nuggets. I didn't have breakfast this morning because I was planning on this, but I didn't bring my camera because it's going to be raining, and I didn't know for sure if I was going to do it, but everything worked out. I used the app to order. So if you go to Chick-fil-A, I don't know, the app's pretty cool. And they actually delivered, which that's really cool too, that Chick-fil-A has started delivering food. Piece of dust. I love delivery stuff. I guess I could have gone somewhere today, though, because I got the car. But with the app, you have to load certain amounts of money, and I thought I had, I saw my balance, and I was like, okay, well, I could use my balance and then add some, but when I added what I thought I needed, the balance changed because it had been updated, and I forgot that I used it. So I had to add another amount, and they only let you use $10 increments, so I'll be eating some more Chick-fil-A. This week. And they had 8 sauces, so I got 8 ranches. I had a honey mustard left over, so I'll probably use that at some point. Really, this is a dream come true. I'm going to use the honey mustard now. Because whenever I go to Chick-fil-A, I get the 12-count nuggets and a large meal. And sometimes that doesn't even fill me up. So this 30 nugget thing, I was like, well, I need to try it because I feel like I could do it, and I love their nuggets. Can never get enough of them. So we'll see. If you haven't, go check out my other mukbang video. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. If you liked it, didn't like it, thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever. Because that was a really good pizza. And yeah, so if you want to see something else like that, maybe You can either do the same one and maybe try to eat the whole thing, or do a different one, do some different toppings or something like that. But definitely let me know what you think. And also, please go check out my cover videos that I've done of just playing guitar. I do a lot of Beatles stuff. I've been really trying to make it the best I can with incorporating different lead parts into one guitar, because I like to be kind of spot on with them. Also, I've got some graveyard videos. I went to the oldest graveyard in Birmingham. I went to a couple of local graveyards around the area, the cemeteries. Saw some Civil War graves and saw some pretty cool stuff. So, go check those out. It's a little history. It's a little exploration. I went to a park one time, just walking around. There was a church over there. My channel at this point, there's kind of a bunch of different things. So I've got the music cover videos, I've got the cemeteries, I've got just some out and about stuff, I've got the mukbangs. And the reason I do these is because I like to eat, and I usually get a lot of food anyway. So that's just kind of worked out. I don't know, I kind of just talk off the top of my head. Just might seem like chatter or, but I don't know. I feel like I'm sharing a little bit of my life with you, the viewer. Speaking of sharing my life, if you're watching this, I'd really love it if you went and checked out my Twitter and Instagram. I usually post those at the bottom of my videos, so definitely go there. Hit me up. Send me a message, comment, retweet, tweet, whatever. If you look on there, somebody at work had worn a pretty creepy mask. I just posted a picture of that. Been getting some candy. We've had some office stuff. That's kind of a good thing, about the office is they'll decorate or plan certain things around different times of year. It makes it, a little change of pace. So looks like I've got about 10 nuggets left, so that means I've eaten 20 chicken nuggets. Yes, this will be 21. It's been very delicious. If you like chicken nuggets, you feel like splurging a little bit, go do it. Get your favorite dipping sauce. Get your camera going, record a video, and you could be a YouTuber like me. Yeah, let me see what the temperature is outside. Excuse me. I don't know what it is. I don't know. It's probably about 60. I think they said it was supposed to freeze tonight. Sorry, I keep blocking the camera. So that would be the first freeze of fall season. Here in Birmingham, Alabama. I've heard it's supposed to be a pretty cold winter. You know, I like snow, so I hope it snows, because when it snows in Alabama, a lot of normal stuff just kind of shuts down. We get snow days sometimes because it doesn't snow that much, and so people don't know how to drive, people get in wrecks. This state doesn't have enough equipment to clean the roads, so they just tell everybody, shut it down, stay home, throw a snowball. I'd say at least once a year we get snow, just pretty much average once a year. You know, there's probably some flurries. They call it the S word around here. Because everybody freaks out. You got it tuned on James Spann. He's the guy around here. If you're from here, you know James Spann, because whenever there's any kind of weather, everybody's got him on. I feel like I mentioned a weatherman in my last video. I don't know why I always talk about the weather. Got 4 left. I watched another YouTuber do a pizza mukbang. They went to Chuck E. Cheese. It was pretty funny. But they've got a ton of subscribers, so I figured, hey, we're doing kind of the same thing. I mean, it might be a little more entertaining, but I feel like I'm on the right track. But if you're still watching, I could really use any kind of like or subscribe this video. I could use some more views, so please, you know, support my channel. I mean, I'm just trying to make some cool videos. Trying to make the kind of stuff I would want to see. Because I mean, I love YouTube. I watch a ton of YouTube. And sometimes I run out of things to watch, so I figure, why not make my own? One more. Last lonely little nugget in there. We got a ton of ranches left. So, I guess it's getting towards the end. Been running about almost 20 minutes, so let me just go ahead and bon appetit. Wow. So, if you want to see me do, that's 30, it's empty. If you want to see me do the next size up, which is literally catering, I will get catered 64 chicken nuggets. I don't know. We'll see. Do it. But if I get 25 likes on this video, I promise you, I will get 64 nuggets, try to eat them. Vitamin water. Cheers. Alright, well, that's it for the video. I've got some time left on my break, so I'll probably just end it here and just mosey back in. But hope this rain clears up. Well, really, I like the rain. It makes it easy to sleep, but then I don't want to get up. Hope you have a happy Halloween. Have a safe Halloween. Enjoy. Get spooked. Get scared. Please, please, please like this video. Comment. Subscribe. If you don't like it, let me know. Jack, don't do any more of those. Or go comment on some of my other videos. Let me know if you liked it or didn't like it. I'd really just love to interact and kind of start a little community here on YouTube. I love you guys, and we'll see you next time. Bye.